We need 6 eggs, room temperature, 300 milliliters of milk, also room temperature, and little bit butter we will use for line of the form. We add milk in eggs and very gentle start to mix it. Mix it together till it becomes a nice and smooth texture. Add a little bit of salt, and that's all. Line our form with butter. Put our omelette. And bake it in oven 180 degrees Celsius for 25-30 minutes. Our omelette is ready. Leave it cool down. It's coming down a little bit. And enjoy it. It tastes nice, warm and cold.